Hey guys, I've got an Autometer SB5/2 carbon pile load tester, and I'm having an issue with it. When I hook up my leads, I get no voltage. However, I guarantee you that I have adequate voltage from this battery to be doing tests on it. 12A4. Alright, and when I turn this, I can pull a load from it. And this tries to move. Then it falls back down. Let me show you what's causing this. Alright, when you open up these clamps, these smaller wires, if they're disconnected, you're not going to get an accurate reading. This small wire is hooked up to here. So if that's broken off, you can pull a load, but you're not going to get a reading. What we have this time is on the negative. See in here, you got a broken black wire. So we're not getting an adequate reading. See, it looks like somebody has soldered this once before. So we're going to reattach it here and give it another go. Just to show you that that's the problem, I'll attach it there. And you can see as I make contact, it wants to do the right thing there. Simulates a load. So we got to get that back on there for good. Got my soldering iron hooked up here. Just use those tweezers again. Hold that on there. A big old chunk of copper we're trying to heat up there. Let's get some flux on it. Okay. It's on, but I want it really on. Let's see if that does it. Alright, as you see, my voltage is where it should be. Give it a tug. That is stiff on there. Can it come off again? Maybe someday in the future, but for today, we've got it working again. Thanks guys for watching again. That's how to fix the voltmeter on the Autometer carbon pile loader model SB5/2. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.